Alright, now we're going to go through how to add a card in the Prowatch Web User Interface. So once I've already logged in, it's going to bring me to this page here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Add button. I'm going to add an individual. In here, it's going to start bringing up the picture here. Now it's automatically going to assume pick your employer based upon your user login information. I can go in here and change this change the employer. I can. You guys will only be listed as your tenant. Go in here on badge type. By default, it's going to pick tenant employee for you. Mine says contract vendor. So you can go through and however you wish to kind of add them to your system. Go and type in the name of the person that you wish to add, and then over down here at the bottom I'm going to assign a partition. So when I click on that, on the right hand side you will see all the partitions. Now these partitions are viewable by me. You should only see your tenant as a partition there. So once we're done there, I'm going ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring up that partition there. I'm then going to go ahead and go to Cards tab, and I'm going to add a card. At that time, it's going to bring up another page where I will put in the card number. The card number is on the card. It's next to the plus sign. It is a 5-digit number. Please use all preceding zeros if on that as well. The card status is going to default to active, and then the card type. This is similar to the tenant employee, so I would go contract vendor. And then we can go through and add access groups. If I click on here, you're going to see a list on the right of the access groups. My login has all the access groups available. Yours will only be the access groups available to your company. I'm going to go ahead and click on that access group, and then I will hit the add button. And it will add that card. It takes a second. Then I will go ahead and hit the save button, and at that time, that name, that user, that card, access group, all of that will be added to the system.